Here are some inspiring ideas for designing a unique coffee table. 1. Rustic farmhouse table. Use reclaimed wood for a weathered look. Incorporate metal accents like handles or brackets for added charm. 2. Geometric design. Create a modern coffee table using geometric shapes. Combine different wood types to highlight the design with contrasting colors. 3. Live edge table. Use a slab of live edge wood to showcase its natural beauty. Finish with a clear epoxy resin to enhance durability and aesthetics. 4. Storage ottoman. Build a coffee table that doubles as a storage ottoman. Upholster the top with fabric to add comfort and style. 5. Industrial style. Combine wood with metal piping for an industrial look. Use a dark finish for the wood to match the metal elements. 6. Glass top table. Create a wooden base with a glass top for a sleek, modern appearance. Use interesting wood grain patterns as a focal point beneath the glass. 7. Multi-level coffee table. Design a coffee table with multiple tiers for added functionality. Use different shapes or heights to create visual interest. 8. Nature-inspired table. Incorporate natural elements such as stones or plants in the design. Use a wood finish that highlights the natural grain and knots. 9. Artistic sculpture table. Design a coffee table that doubles as a piece of art. Use unconventional shapes and forms to create a conversation piece. 10. Convertible table. Create a coffee table that can be adjusted in height or transformed into a dining table. Use mechanisms that are easy to operate for versatility. These ideas can serve as a foundation for your creative coffee table project. Here are more inspiring ideas for unique coffee table designs. 11. Vintage suitcase table. Repurpose an old suitcase as a coffee table. Attach legs or use a sturdy base for support, adding charm and storage. 12. Pallet coffee table. Use wooden pallets to create a rustic, DIY coffee table. Sand and stain for a polished look, and add wheels for mobility. 13. Book lovers table. Construct a table with built-in shelves for books. Use a thick wood slab for the top to balance functionality and style. 14. Knotty pine table. Emphasize the natural knots and grain of pine wood for a rustic feel. Use a clear finish to highlight the wood's unique character. 15. Mosaic tile table. Incorporate colorful mosaic tiles into the tabletop design. Combine tiles with a wooden frame for a vibrant and artistic table. 16. Repurposed door table. Use an old door as the tabletop for a unique, vintage look. Pair it with sturdy legs or a base made from reclaimed wood. 17. Floating table. Design a wall-mounted coffee table that appears to float. Use brackets for support while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. 18. Nature-inspired resin table. Combine wood with colored resin to create a stunning river table effect. Experiment with different colors for a unique appearance. 19. Sculptural base table. Create a coffee table with an artistic, sculptural base. Use materials like metal or wood to form a striking shape. 20. Travel-themed table. Decorate the surface with maps or travel memorabilia. Encapsulate items under glass for a personalized touch. These ideas should provide plenty of inspiration for crafting a distinctive coffee table that fits your style. Here are even more creative ideas for unique coffee table designs. 21. Tree stump table. Use a polished tree stump as a natural, rustic coffee table. Leave the bark on for an organic look or sand it down for a smoother finish. 22. Underlit glass table. Create a glass-top table with LED lights underneath. Use colored lights to change the ambience of your living space. 23. Industrial crate table. Stack wooden crates to form a coffee table with personality. Paint or stain them for a cohesive look and add casters for mobility. 24. sliding top table. Design a coffee table with a sliding top that reveals hidden storage. Incorporate a sleek, modern design for a functional yet stylish piece. 25. Hollow log table. Use a hollowed-out log as a centerpiece coffee table. Fill it with decorative items or plants for a natural touch. 26. Textured fabric table. Create a soft-top coffee table with fabric stretched over a wooden frame. Use bold patterns or textures to add visual interest. 27. Ladder coffee table. Repurpose an old ladder as the base for a coffee table. Attach a wooden top and use the rungs for additional storage. 28. Puzzle piece table. Design a coffee table that resembles interlocking puzzle pieces. Use contrasting woods or colors for a playful, modern look. 29. Vintage window table. Repurpose old window frames as the base for a coffee table. Add a glass top to preserve the vintage aesthetic while providing a functional surface. 30. Seasonal decor table. Create a table with a removable top that allows for seasonal decor changes. Use a clear acrylic or glass top to showcase seasonal items or artwork underneath. These additional ideas should inspire you to create a coffee table that is not only functional but also a stunning focal point in your space. Here are some tips to inspire your coffee table project. Tips for creating an inspiring coffee table. Define your style. Decide on the overall aesthetic you want: rustic, modern, vintage, or eclectic. This will guide your design choices. Consider functionality. Think about how you will use the table. Should it have storage, be a centerpiece for decor, or serve as a space for games and snacks? Play with heights. Mix different heights by stacking books or using varying leg lengths. This adds visual interest and can create a more dynamic look. Incorporate materials. Combine different materials like wood, metal, glass, and fabric to create contrast and texture. Utilize color. Choose a color palette that complements your living room. Bold colors can make a statement, while neutrals can provide a calming effect. Personalize with decor. Add personal touches with decor items like candles, plants, or family photos to make the table reflect your personality. Think about scale. Ensure your coffee table is proportional to your seating arrangement. A table that's too large can overwhelm a small space, while a tiny table can get lost in a large room. Design for comfort. If you plan to use the table for snacks or drinks, ensure the height is comfortable for reaching from your seating. Experiment with shapes. Don't feel restricted to traditional rectangular shapes. Round, oval, or even asymmetrical designs can add uniqueness. Embrace DIY. Don't hesitate to get creative and DIY elements of your coffee table. Customization makes it truly one of a kind. Functional add-ons. Consider adding features like coasters, built-in charging ports, or even a small cooler for drinks. Regular updates. Change the decor seasonally or whenever you feel inspired. This keeps the table fresh and engaging. By following these tips, you can create a coffee table that's not only functional but also a beautiful expression of your style.